Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change the store currency, or rather the store name, on your Shopify store. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I am on the main page of my store, and what we're going to do is access our settings so that we can change the name from there. Now, what you need to do, just go to the bottom left and click on the settings button, which is right over here at the bottom of the list, and you're going to appear in the general section immediately. Now, to change your store name, what you need to do is hover over my store, and this pencil icon will appear to the right of your name. Once you're done with that, just click on it, and here you can change your store name. So for example, I'm gonna just name it Test Store, and you have the email. You can add the store phone if you want to. I'm not gonna add it, so after that just click save, and as you can see, it has been renamed. Now this renaming will not change the original link to your store, which is like this, because I do not have any other domains, but yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, as you can see in the top right, my store is called Test Store, and it's gonna stay like that until I change it or choose a completely different name for my store, which I'm not going to do. I like this name for now because I'm not going to go public with the store anyway. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. As I mentioned, very easy, very quick process. I do hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.